Hello, guys. Good. Hello, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hi. Where you guys tuning in from? Where you guys from? I'm from Singapore. Okay. Where you guys from? Finland. Wow, that's good. What time is that? In Singapore now is 6 p.m. What time it's over there? Okay, 1 p.m. Okay. All right. Yes. We just wait for a few minutes for everyone to join us. All right. That's nice. How was the weather over there? Okay. I apologize if I pronounced your name incorrect. All right. Juha, is that right? Yes. Okay. Well, I saw a few people joining. Is this your first time here, guys? Because I did webinar for IronFX. This is my third time. Okay, so I did not see you guys. Yesterday was my colleague. Okay. But like two webinars, like previous webinars, I did like 2 weeks or one or like 3 weeks ago. I did not see you guys here. So I'm so happy that I see you guys. I think I saw you before, Moses. Did you join my webinar before? Yes, I remember your name. I had a few month break. Oh, I see. Okay, happy to see you guys here. This is my third time now. Yes, that's good. Yes, yes, I remember your name because when I did webinar, there was only like 1 or 2 people. Give me a few seconds, all right? All right, I'm back. Okay, just wait for maybe 1 minute. Okay, we will start at maybe your time is 1 p.m. maybe and 3 minutes, maybe one more minute, and then we will start. Okay, so today the section is just trading strategy clinic. Okay, I think you may already attend this webinar before, but basically you can ask me anything, any questions about trading, or if you have any like problem, any strategies, if I can answer, I will try to answer you guys. If you guys don't have, and then we will jump to the live chat, and then we will look at the chart together. Okay, any questions like how to draw Fibo, Nanchi, like maybe yesterday you hit your stop loss and then you cannot get over it. You want someone to listen to your 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 unhappiness trade. You can let me know. You can talk to me, ask me the question like how I deal with those, like when my trade hit my stop loss. Okay, or how I can overcome. Sure, I can show you oil later. No problem. Yeah, if there is no question, yeah, sure. If there is no question, then we will jump into the live chat together. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, let's just begin our session for today. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. Okay, so like I mentioned at the beginning, so today webinar, it's just about trading strategy clinic. You can ask me anything. Okay. about trading. I will try to answer as much as possible. Again, guys, warning and disclaimer. This webinar is purely educational and nothing in this webinar should be construed as investment or trading advice. So please do your own due diligence before trading, all right? Let me move. Okay, about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Ever Fortune Group. We collaboration with IronFX, so we are award-winning research firm, and finally in 2019, 20, and 21 for the best FX and equity research. Okay, and I'm a prop trader as well. So if you guys don't know what is about prop trader, so basically, you need to pass the challenge, phase 1, phase 2, which is 8%, 5%, and then they will give you the funder account for you to trade. Okay. Okay, no agenda today. So basically, let me bring you to the chart. Okay. So just now, there's a question about oil. Okay, let me look at the oil first. Okay. Oh, let me exit here. Where is my oil here? Okay. Let me talk about oil and then we will move to gold. All right. Okay. I'm so happy that I saw a few of you guys joining my webinar. So like I'm not gonna be like only alone or with 1 or 2 people. Okay. So look at gold. Let me pull out my RSI. I use RSI to find my breakout or what is this? My breakout or find a divergent. Okay. So let me just filter out or this I'm not using. Okay. Maybe I just put this to what is this? Okay, I don't use it. I only want to look at the if there's divergent or core. All right. So now first you need to look at the daily time frame. And I think if you were to draw Fibo, okay, but usually it's depend on which broker you are using, okay, because some broker they send the code is different. Some of the broker, if you look, you may ask me. I think you guys cannot see my face, right? Okay, I need to sit up a little bit. Okay, some of the broker you may see the spike. Some of the broker they may not have the spike. Oh, it's up to the broker is in the course, right? So now I just draw like this, and then you can see the daily time frame. This is daily time frame, okay? Go hitting 50% Fibonacci retracement, okay? All right. So now, and there is no divergence, okay? I move back to head 4. Okay, in head 4, if you were to draw support and resistance, okay, here you can see that when you draw this is very nice pullback resistance. So you can put it at your first resistance. Excuse me. Okay. Does anyone know how to draw support and resistance? You guys know how to draw, right? Do you guys know how to draw it correctly? Okay, if you want to draw like this, you can see that this is very nice. Overlap resistance, and it's line up with 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, if you want to sell from here, and then you can use Fibonacci to kind of like estimate where you're going to take your profit, which is, okay, I will put it like or. Oops. Okay, so first is 38.2%. Why? Let me slowly zoom in for you guys. This is due to be the resistance, right? And I think this zone, like, okay, like this one used to be resistant, and you have a really long spike here, and I think this is a liquidity. Okay, swap out all the stop loss, and then the price is revert to the direction. Okay. Let me try to release. Okay, here, this is your first target, or you can say like take profit. One is over here. If you sell from here to here, okay, and now you have to watch out if the price still can coming down. Do you guys look at any news event? Let me check any news for today for like factory. Yeah, I have the knowledge of this. Okay, good. Okay, so today is 25th. Let me see. We have the news today. Let me change to my time zone. Okay, so I'm based in Singapore, so basically I know what time it is. Let me change. Do you guys look at Forex factory as well when you trade? Okay. Okay, so today, all right, so my time is 8:30 p.m. So your time, I think, should be like evening. Okay. So my time 8:30 p.m. So we have a new, it's quite important one. Okay. So we have these two. You need to watch out because USD have a lot of impact. Like yesterday, also have the news. Okay, so now you watch out whether the price is can break this. First you can put this at your first first support. Okay, which is like up very nicely with 38.2%, where the price can heading to if they break below this support, right? So this is my, if you were to draw like this, I will draw like this. I put like my second support. Okay, but to me, I find this area in head 4 is like demand zone. Okay, if you were to draw Fibo, I think it's about 61.8, right? Yeah, you see it's at 61.8%. It's okay. Just so is I like to show my Fibo like this, okay? So you guys don't get like, okay, so let's say if break below 38.2%, the next zone, which is this zone, you need to watch out because this is called demand zone, right? This is, if you trade demand and supply, you know that this is called, okay, Lanley, Brace, Lanley, okay. So this demand zone. Demand zone actually is ranging zone, okay. So you watch out this level. So if the priority break below this is the zone that I will consider to buy. But if the price still maybe around this zone, I will wait until the new come out, and then after that I will see any price action or really the price break below or not. Okay, this is my view um of the oil. Do you guys agree with me? Are you guys looking at the same zone as where I'm looking at in head 4? Okay, if you were to zoom in H1, let me see. Okay, you see, this we were like looking at these zones, right? Okay, this is draw from H4. Even in H1, you okay in H1, if you were to draw support resistance, you may draw at this one, right? And then you see price is coming down. That's why usually in currency pair, I like to look at H4 to draw support and like resistance, and then after that I zoom in H1 to see if there is any like price action or any bullish or bearish divergence. Okay. Yes, we see. Okay, so you see that now it's at first support at head 4, and then you can see the price is bounce up a little bit. Okay, so now we just wait and see if really break below, and then this is the next zone that we're looking at. Okay. And I know there will be a few level. You just have to keep the eye on this level as well, because this one have liquidity 1 or 2 times, swap all the maybe SLO here, and then there is very line up with 50% as well. So I just keep an eye on it, but I will see if there is any price action around 50% FIBO. But my very big zone is still at this area. Okay, just have a look out. So we'll just show like this. Okay, you guys can let me know if you have any question. Okay, if not, we go. Okay, for gold, to me, gold is still in like a ranging, in like, if you were to draw support and resistance, I would draw from here. Okay, this is multi-swing high in a resistance. You put first resistance, right? I think yesterday I did sell from 1980, and then I closed slightly like half of it here, and then it really go all the way to like first support. It's all still at first support here. Okay, I will zoom in. I will tell you the reason. Okay, first, like yesterday when I did not see this let's say like this one, okay, I thought that price is going to make like double bottom, right? You can see from here. Like this one, okay. I thought like they'll make like double bottom from here. I would think that, okay, maybe price have a double bottom here. And then I just draw at the body, because I know that this zone a lot of weak, which is liquidity zone. Okay, you see that when the price came down and touched at this zone and then revert up, if you look on your left, if you were to drag, okay, if you were to drag until here or here, you can see that at this body on your left, right, when you draw, put very nicely, you can see that price is make just touch and then revert up, okay, which is this zone is no more, to me, personally, I think there is no more what is called the zone, the interest, I forgot the name or how they call already, or point of interest, sorry, point of interest zone already is this one. So when it tap, it's revert. So that's why when I see that when I draw support and resistance again, if I draw like that, if I were to trade, this is the zone that I would highlight as well. Like this is gonna be the zone. Let's say if the price touches within this green zone, I'm going to buy up. Okay, but if it's already touches, okay, this one we are in head 4, so I adjust the next day. Okay, I adjust my support, so I just move it up to the body. So when you draw support and resistance, it doesn't matter, you can draw at the body or you can draw at the wick. It depends, which is you need to find the level like this. Let me try to draw for you, for example. It doesn't have to be lined up really nicely because support and resistance. Everybody knows about that, and then the really like the big guy, they know if you want to like sell at resistance and buy at the support, that is too easy, right? In summary, what is your conclusion of oil? Okay, I'll answer you later. Just let me finish this one first, okay? Okay, if you were to draw, if you stretch on the way of your left, if you work from here, this one before that used to be my support, and then it break below, I draw until here. Okay, I will show you like let me, okay, for example here, right, this is used to be my support, okay, and I draw like this. Okay, so one they break my support, so this become my resistance, so I change to resistance. After I change to resistance already, right, you can see that after that price it break my resistance. For gold, I need to find the level where can I place the trade. Okay, first you draw Fibo to find the confluence from like from your recent high to recent low. You can see that price is really around 50%, which is break above 30.2%, and like it reverse, right? And this zone. So you just highlight, which is this zone I'm looking at, which is this is my supply zone, okay? And which is line up with 50% Fibonacci. Okay, so I just show 50% and I keep an eye on it. Okay. And then you see price didn't touch my zone. It only touched 38.2%, which is this one. And after that, it revert back. When I see like that, first I miss my trade. I miss the entry like from this one. Then after that, I see already this is one of the price action. Let me zoom in. Okay, this is the one. Okay, when I see that price is closing with this candle, okay, then I know that price it only touches 30.2%. So this zone I'm not gonna looking at the moment. So I delete. Okay, I find the setup. I draw, and then you can see over here. This is your supply zone. Okay, small little green candle there, and you can see that. When you want to draw, you draw from here, you draw from here. If you draw from here, you cannot draw because you need to find the level. To me, I don't draw from there. What I need to draw, I just draw from my recent swing high, which is this is my first resistance. Okay, you can just put like a resistance here. Okay, where is my first? Okay, here first resistance, right? And then first resistance, you can see that you have a very price action here. It's also light up with 38.2%, and this is your supply zone. That's why when price it tap in this zone, I try to zoom in head flow. Okay, in head flow, right? Price is reversed a few times and then it's coming down. And yesterday we do have news, right? That's why this why it's go up and then gold is coming down. But now gold is hitting support level. That's why it's bound up a little bit. But I still feel that gold is still can come down more. But then you need to look at the DXY as well, which is I will bring you to see later. Okay. Okay. And after that, I see that, there is not gonna be double bottom anymore because when go up like that and then this very big bullet candle in H4, only one. So meaning that those are institution or the big boy in the market is make a, sell order here, boom, until here. So I'm kind of like watch out if there's gonna be, maybe like this, or like up here, like triple bottom or not. So I'm still kind of like watch out. And again, just now I did buy from this level because I look at DXY. DXY now is already at first resistance, okay, which is over here, and they make reject a little bit. It's here. I draw from here, okay, and I use Fibo to draw. From here to here. Wait. I hide my, okay. I think this at 78%. Okay. You can see that when I draw, I see that price is at my 38.6%, right? Is this, I cannot see. Yeah. 38.6%. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. And before that, when the price is around here, I try to find this is like a bearish, right? Divergence here. But before that here, I saw that before that I make some on here like lower, right? But now it keep moving up. So that's why I just close as a 600 point or 60 pip, because I see that dollar or DXY is still try to break above this first resistance and like very strong since like yesterday. So I just kind of like just secures my profit and close the trade when the gold is just go up until 1960. And then I just close the trade because I cash at 1955 when the gold came down. And then you see now I'm like watching. If you look at the XY, if the head fall really can close with this price action as this one, potential for price to revert from here will be the high chance. Okay, we need to watch out. And then gold will potential go up. Okay, but go up until where I don't know, because now it's still ranging between first resistance and first support for gold, like since yesterday. So yesterday I didn't adjust any level because it's still ranging. Okay. So we need to see today for the new whether it really can break above or really can break below first support. And then you may ask me, so where is my next support? This is my next support for gold, which is this my second support, right? What I draw here, this is very nice. When you were to draw, I zoom, okay, and I was asking like, you want to draw at the wick or at the body, it doesn't matter. If you draw like this, when you draw, okay, when you put here, okay, let's say first you draw at the wick, okay, and then you can see that, if you draw at the wick, zoom in, the price, it touches here very nicely. Yes, you can draw like, doesn't matter. If it were to draw like this, the price also touches, almost touching the wick, which is the wick. This is a liquidity zone, right? You can draw like this. To me, I will pick this one. Okay, I pick at the wick because when I look at my left or my right, I see that this is the key support level. One long wick rejected, second rejected, right? And then try to break two, it cannot break above, and then there is really big bullet candle, meaning that this is very a key major support. I draw like this, okay? If you want to trade, you have to keep, I like to draw like this for my zone, okay? This is my support zone, you can say like that. Okay, and you just see whether when the price touches this zone, this is might be too far for gold. This is about 1937, but any is possible because first it's what like last week I thought like okay my zone is gonna be 1950 or 55, 55, right? Price is still coming down. If you're a scalper and you want to find the entry, this is another entry. You can maybe let me see for gold. Now it's 1955 and 1944 is about 1,000 pip possible. You can keep a lookout at this one as well. This one, okay. You wait for the news because I don't know. Sometimes news is run about one I think 1,500 point or 2,000, even sometimes to 3,000 points. So you just watch out, and then if really price is come to my second support, I will make a buy from here. I'll make a long from here. My personal, okay, I will just make a call from here. Or if this zone also, if price really like come to this zone, if there is any price action or any new came out, for example, if the USD come out in red, okay, so gold will shoot up. That I will buy, but I need to see first, okay? Just have to watch out. So for now, gold I have in H4 is still ranging, but if you want to find the entry for the scalper in H1, okay, you draw Fibo. If you want to trade, you use this one and you can use a EMA. You can use a EMA 100 and 200, okay. EMA can act as support and resistance as well. So my EMA 200, which is blue color, okay. And then my green color will be EMA 100. So I only use this EMA to just trade gold, okay. So if you want to see from here, the level that you keep the watch out, which is 50%, there is a confluence Y in H1. One is line up with Fibonacci, okay. Okay. And second, you can see that it touches EMA 100, which is green color. Okay, and you can see this is the sun is big. You can just draw at it, but it's a weak one. But you just watch out. This is called supply zone or hidden bed in H1, which is I will bring you to see in M30. Okay, when you zoom in, okay, you can see that this is the zone, right? Drop, base, drop, base, which is ranging. You can just draw to make it like this, okay. So the zone, for example, before the news, yeah, if the price really go really up to this zone, I will make a sale from here, okay. This is my scalping strategies, okay. All right, you have any questions, guys, for gold? If not, let me just move to oil first, okay. Okay, you see, when you implement the EMA 100 and 200, okay, even though you want to find confluence, okay, in H4, we see that, okay, this is the zone that you kind of like your first support, right? It line up with 38.2%, okay. and then you just you know, pull out or implement the EMA 100 and 200. You were to go in M1 H1, you see that it react at EMA 100, which is act at support level. Okay. Okay, you see here, and then it's leveled up. Let me look. You will ask me. Let me look for the bigger time frame for gold. Okay. For oil. Daily time frame. Let me remove all. Drawing first. Okay. By my weekly. Okay. Let me zoom into weekly. You see, when you withdraw Fibo in weekly, it really touches the 50% Fibo, and then it spike up. So now, like this is a zone, and this is a liquidity. Okay, touches this support in weekly. Okay, and then price shoot up. This is a week time frame. Okay, we zoom in. We were ranging here. Daily time frame. Okay, okay. You see, in daily time frame, this is our support for weekly. Okay, you see, when you draw from the bigger time frame like weekly, in daily time frame, you can see that price is touching. This is all called liquidity. Okay, here wipe out all like, you know, put all stop loss or whatsoever you guys coins like stop loss, you know, liquidity zone. Okay, and then the price shoot up in daily time frame. Okay, this is still our support zone for daily time frame. Let me. I feel that price is still on uptrend. Okay, when you were to draw trend line, you can draw from here. For example, trend line. Okay, this is a green. Okay, I will draw like line for you. You can see that, right? This is ascending trend line. I think price is still going up in head 4. Okay, now in weekly time frame, I told you already, price is stop at 50% Fibonacci retracement, right? So now it's still going up, yes, but then you know, we have a news today for the USD, so you need to watch out. Okay, this is a new USD, right? Yeah, so you need to watch out. Okay, but you see in head 4, when you were to draw support and resistance, now is as you see your support used to be resistant, now is your overlap support, so your support one here. That's why when price is come down, okay, to this one, you see. Okay, I zoom in for you. For example, this zone, okay, for example, this zone, this is used to be your resistance, right? And then you can see the long wick here. Okay, let's say, for example, like if you trade and then you just say, okay, this is the zone, and your lot is really like big, like, you know, lot size really big, and then you just say that you just want to put just above this wick. I mean here, yeah, not like you don't look here. Okay, let's say you just from here, and then okay, this is the zone. Okay, you just say that okay, maybe price come down and then you see the zone here, you say that, okay, maybe you want to pay the sale, okay, from here, and then this one you put your stop loss, for example. Let me delete first, okay. You say that, okay, this is, maybe you refer to this week, okay. Okay, then you think that, okay, you're gonna put your stop loss here. What happened? Liquidity wrap out all the stop loss, okay. When you zoom in even more, okay, you see, zoom in even more, it's wrap out all the stop loss, and then the price is came back to the direction which is where you're looking. This is sometimes you have to know where to put your stop loss, even hit your stop loss already, you need to like manage your trade psychology as well. Okay. To me, when I see like this, I don't put my stop loss, this week. Usually I will put slightly behind or above this one if my lot size is not like big and I'm not over trade, right? Because I know that this is the zone, it liquidity zone. Okay. You see? If you want to just refer to this week, you will get stopped out by this week. To me, this is the zone I just put up here. Okay. If hit my stop loss, then that's it. I understand. Okay. This is my stop loss. So when the price is go up and then my sale order here, for example, okay, I put this zone here. Okay, my SL here. It haven't hit my SL, then it's all the way down. Okay, then I close my trade. All right. So to me, now look at the chart now. Price is still on uptrend. This is the zone that we need to watch out. Okay, I delete this first. You draw the Fibo from here to here. Wait, I move this one to here to here. It's swing high, swing low. Okay, and then you see. Okay, so this is the zone which is, we can draw like this. The green, okay, line up with 60%. Okay, in head 4. Later I will zoom in. Okay. This is the zone I was looking at. You may want to draw until to the week like this. Doesn't matter. Okay, because this is our trend line. Trend line, it doesn't mean sometimes it can break below or just act as support. Yes, but everybody, or we know that because everybody study at the same, right? Okay, if it hit trend line, price will reverse. This one just want to like support your technical analysis, right? That price touches trend line and then it reverse from here. Okay, so now we want to see if it touches and then it's really reverse or it break below. It's just good for you. Just draw the trend line here, then we watch out. Okay, if you want to zoom in to H1. Okay, when you zoom in like that, even though you see this the zone, right? It's our support zone. Okay, I change to the zone, get confused, right? When you see like that, price reject a little bit, but still have very strong selling pressure. Where is my RSI now? Do I close it? Okay. Where is my RSI? Okay. Do I close it just now? It's okay. Okay, let me have a quick remove all this. Okay. Why I pull out RSI? Because I want to see if there is any divergence here. Okay. Okay, there is no divergence. Okay, never mind. Okay, you see that when you zoom into H1, I think this support in my break below, you see in H1, it tried to coming down because why? You see? There is all red. Even you zoom in, all red. If you want to zoom in like this, you just have to keep in mind that price is have a strong sell pressure. Okay, you see? You zoom into M1, even M5. Usually I like to look at every time frame. Okay, it just okay in M5 if you like scalping, you like scalper. Okay, from here I think you have to close the trade already. Okay, this is a very nice overlap in M1 with scalping. Okay, you see Amdara is all the way coming down. If I see like that, I'm not going to you know buy from here, or maybe I buy already and then I see that okay price is still have like all red, I have to wait. Okay, if there is any reversal pattern, price reaction, or any, you see what we were talking is still selling. So you, if still sell like it, you're not gonna buy. Okay, sometimes it can break your support level. It's okay. So now Lily break below already, right? In H1. Okay. So I think it will come to this zone, like this one, and this zone, the green color one. Okay. It's still coming down, yeah, guys. If you were to zoom in, I were to draw Fibo. You can find Fibo conference. Okay, I draw from here to here. I pull out all the, okay, let me see. This is the area you may watch out. This is your first buy, for example. Okay, your first, because they had a conference which is 61.8% and 50% Fibonacci. Your first buy here. And if daily it's coming down, this is the big zone. Okay, big zone, what you're gonna do? I will just show 61 and 78. Okay, so this is the zone. Okay, in H1, yeah, this is the next zone for you to buy. So please manage your lot size accordingly. Okay. Do you see clear uptrend? Please where to take profit for oil. Okay. Okay. Do you still have a position for oil now or haven't yet? Or you're waiting for the entry? You see so fast, price is already reaching our zone now. It's so fast. I am in now. You already buy now. I still haven't, yeah. I still haven't. Why? Because I still see that price is moving down. You see, even in M1, I didn't zoom in M1. I haven't seen any green color here. So the zone I still watch out. Okay. If there is a green, there might be a green one. We will see. Okay. In M1, you will see already. Tap the zone. It have the green color. Okay, candle. We have to watch out the zone. You see when it touch our zone, rejects already. Okay. So fast, right? Where you going to take your profit if you already buy your profit for scalping? This is your take profit. Take profit. Okay. I don't know what is your lot size. Okay. You take the profit here. For example, if you don't want to take your profit, for example, if the price really all the way up, let's say now you want to let it land, let's say this is your buy entry, for example, okay. Your buy entry, let's say your buy entry here, okay. Let's say your buy entry, now it's still coming down, yeah? So you have to watch out. Price still have very strong selling pressure. Let's say, for example, if you make a buy here and then price is already going up, okay. From your stop loss here, for example, maybe you put your stop loss here, but might too far. Let's say if you put your stop loss here, for example, and then the price you buy from here, and then if the price is really going up, you just press your no, I change your stop loss first. For example, your stop loss here, you move your stop loss to your entry or break even, but usually I don't put at really break even. I just want to put where I can earn some money. In case that price revert and hit my stop loss, this is the area that I will still earn some money. Okay. And then I let it run. But in this case, I still haven't go. Okay. I haven't have any buy or any position for oil yet. Even if for gold, I don't have any position. I still wait. I might wait until US market open because they have a news. So I still watch out. And then I haven't see any, price action, rejection. At least they might have price action or rejection or even at least M5 green candle. Okay, and then after that I might place the buy from here. But if you're a very aggressive trader and then you can manage your lot size, you have very big account, okay, you can press small one. Okay, you can, I don't know, you can just press one lot or 0.5 or 0.2 lot, it's up to you. Okay, and this is the zone, like you can, because some people put the small lot size within the zone, if the price come down, and you see in M5, there is already some green candle. Okay, you just have to wait and watch out. But to me, if you're aggressive, you can, no problem. But to me, I still wait to see. Okay, okay. If you look at you see, these are we at M1. Oh, price already reverts. Okay, you see, very nicely. If you buy from here, I think you already make some money already, right? Okay, this M1. Okay, have a chance here to revert. It might so far hit our first profit, but again, okay, if you're aggressive trader, you can. All right. Do you guys have any question? Okay, maybe I launch the poll. So I hope you guys can help me to lead my webinar. All right. Before I end the section. Okay, I'm up to another meeting. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Okay. Okay, I think I answer all the question. Yeah, again, guys, why? Okay, let me try to look for divergent. Okay, there's no divergence here, but the oil, we just have a look out on this one. You look at H1 time frame rejection. Okay, very nicely. Wow, tapping in is, if you're aggressive, you already earn some money here. Okay, in gold, it's already going up. I still wait at this zone, which is this is the zone, but still I'm still wait until US market open and see. Okay, let me know, guys, if you have any question. If don't have, I might want to end the webinar soon. Okay, let me know. I hope you guys learning something, okay, today. Or maybe I have one question like, do you guys use Fibonacci to trade? Actually, Fibonacci is very useful tool or indicator. It can combine with support and resistance. You can try. Okay, I use Fibonacci, RSI, and support and resistance, which is have to be overlap support or overlap resistance, which is support become resistance or resistance become support. It's up to you which term you want to use. Okay. Yeah. Maybe I don't know whether we going to have Fibonacci webinar or not. I need to check my schedule, but I did like teach on Fibonacci as well. Actually, that is Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci expansion, projection, and expansion. Yeah. But if you know how to use it and draw it correctly, yeah, you can make a profit, by using Fibonacci combined with support and resistance. Okay. You see now the price is moving up all the way. We will see this zone on even like this one. Okay. We'll see. Yeah. From here, 1966 to 1970 is about 300 points. I think it's doable. I mean, it's still within the zone. It's not that big. Okay. If you put one lot, it's still okay. Usually my lot size is like 0.5 or 1 lot or 2 lot. It depends. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to end the section for today, and I hope to see you guys again next section. Okay. You let me know if you any like topic you want to learn in the next webinar. Okay, I try to teach you guys. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day and happy trading. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye for now.